Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making carrot and coriander soup.
We have a new little helper with us. Who is it?
Rosie the snake. Make sure you wash your hands properly.
So we've washed our hands, we've got our aprons on, tied our hair back, we're ready to go. To make the soup, we only need a few ingredients. It's very simple.
Oil, coriander, carrots, potatoes, onion, stock cube,
And just a few pieces of equipment, a big saucepan with a lid, a peeler, a sharp knife, a wooden spoon, a teaspoon, and a chopping board. First of all, peel and chop all the vegetables as small as you can. It's a great recipe to practice your chopping skills, as it doesn't matter how big or small the pieces are, because we're going to blend the soup at the end anyway, and it's going to be perfect. Peel and chop the onion as small as you can, cut off the end, and then, there you go, and then using the claw grip, cut the onion in half, and that's the easiest way now to peel the onion from here. There you go, you can help me with that, thank you. Very good.
Oh.
Thank you for your help. Thank you very much. There you go, you can take the membrane as well. Thank you.
What's a membrane?
It's like, this looks like a bit of a skin. So, using the claw grip, slice the onion into slices as thin as you can. And then make a nice dice. Peel and chop the potatoes as small as you can. So we're gonna slice it. Slice the potatoes. And then each of the slices we're going to cut into, almost look like chips, don't they? And then each of the chips peel and chop the carrots as small as you can. And collect all the bits.
These bits from carrots are very tricky to pick up. The peels are very tricky to pick up.
That's right.
You promised one bit of carrot.
And give you energy. Right.
You have one big piece.
So that's our
He's really hungry.
carrot chopped.
He's really looking. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Just like my mum.
Very good, thank you. When the oil is nice and hot, add the onions. Can you do that for me?
Not scrape.
There we go. See, they're starting to cook already. Cook the onions for about 5 minutes until they're nice and soft. When the onion is soft, add 1 teaspoon of coriander and the potatoes and cook for about 1 minute. Can you add 1 teaspoon for me? Perfect, pop that in, thank you. And could you add the potatoes as well? I'll take the teaspoon. You use the wooden spoon there. Add the carrots now. Can you use the spoon? Then we're going to add the stock cubes and water, and we're going to be ready to boil. Thank you. Very good. Can you add the stock cubes for me, please? Yeah, just pop them in. Okay.
Well, that's when the water is in.
That's okay. Pop them in first, and we're going to put the water in next because the water is very hot. Give it a good stir and boil for about 20 minutes until all the vegetables are soft. Bring the soup to the boil. You can see the big bubbles coming up. Turn the heat right down, and this is what we call simmering. So give it a good stir. Cover the soup and simmer for about 20 minutes until all the vegetables are soft. After about 20 minutes, check if the vegetables are ready. An easy way to do it is with a fork and a wooden spoon. Pick up some vegetables and then check with your fork, and they are falling apart, which means they're ready. To finish the soup off, you can use an electric hand blender to blend it, or if you haven't got one, just use a potato masher to mash the vegetables. But we're going to use the electric hand blender. Right, here, press the button, that's it. Yeah, go on.
Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Thank you very much. Enjoy. Bye-bye.